Today I'll walk you through how to add fields to your MailerLite forms so you can collect exactly the subscriber information your business needs beyond just an email address. If this is helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. When someone fills out your MailerLite form, you're not limited to capturing their email. MailerLite lets you add both default fields, things like first name, last name, phone number, or company, and custom fields that you define yourself. Knowing how to do this gives you much richer subscriber data to work with. To get started, open MailerLite and sign into your account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Forms. You'll see a list of all your existing forms. Find the one you want to update and click on it to select it. Next, open the form editor. On your selected form, click the Edit button and give the editor a moment to fully load. It renders a live preview of your form, so it can take a few seconds. Once it's open, take a look at the existing fields. Most forms start with just the email field as the default, which is the one required field you can't remove. Now here's where you actually add a new field. Click directly on any existing field in the form. The email field works perfectly. A settings panel will appear on the right-hand side of the editor. Look for a button that says Add New Field or Add Field and click it. A list of available fields appears, showing you both MailerLite's built-in default fields and any custom fields you've already created. Select the field you want and it will instantly appear in the form editor, ready to reorder or style as needed. One quick tip: the more fields you add to a form, the lower your conversion rate tends to be. Only ask for what you genuinely need. If a first name is enough, don't pile on phone number and company too. Keep the barrier to sign up as low as possible. And that's it. You've successfully added a field to your MailerLite form. You now know how to navigate to the form editor, click into an existing field, and use the settings panel to pull in any default or custom data you need from your subscribers. If this helped you out, leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.